morning, Falcons, and welcome to the Early Bird Show. Today is Friday, January 8th, 2021.
Is that a big sheep still staring at us?
Yeah, but did you know that species of sheep native to Americas have never been domesticated? The first domesticated sheep came over Europe in 1493.
I did not know that. That sheep is really creepy, though. Please stand for the pledge to the flags. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to the Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible. Please join us for a moment of silence.
Thank you. Please have a seat.
Now for today's weather. Today in Carrollton, it will be partly cloudy with a high of 50 and a low of 30. There is also a chance of snow early Sunday morning for us here in North Texas. Yeah! But weather changes so much, so maybe.
Today's featured teacher is Mrs. Baki, one of our special education teachers.
Thank you for coming. May we ask you a few questions?
Absolutely.
What are some things you did at for the holidays?
Number one, got a lot of sleep. Number two, stayed in my pajamas as much as possible. I went to Houston to go see my family, and then my family also got to come up here for a little bit. So a lot of relaxation and quality time.
What was your New Year's resolution?
Okay, so I don't normally do resolutions, and I don't know if this one counts, but my resolution for this year is to convince my husband that he needs to buy me a sloth. And I did get him to look it up last night on Exotic Pets for Sale. And we did find out how much they cost, and so now it's just a matter of working on convincing him that a room in our house could actually become an enclosure.
What was your favorite thing you did over the break?
My favorite thing over the break was getting to hang out with people and not having to get dressed if I didn't want to get dressed, and being able to binge watch a lot of stuff on Netflix.
And what is your favorite animal and why?
Oh my God, great question. My favorite animal is a sloth. There's many reasons why. I find them to be amazing and adorable and cute, and they always look like they're smiling, which I think is really cool. And also, fun facts about a sloth. Number one is, did you know they only come down the tree to poop once a week? That's how slow their metabolism is. Number two, even though they're slow on purpose, because that is how they camouflage themselves from predators. Is so if they're moving slowly, they think they won't be detected, because eagles are their predators, which I thought was weird. Wow. Also, the pygmy sloth is one of the most endangered mammals in the world, and there's only about 100 of them left, and they all live on a small little island together in South America.
Oh no.
So save the sloths! Save the sloths!
But the sheep is still staring at us.
Oh, yeah.
He's creepy.
Y'all knew I was coming and y'all have a sheep.
Yeah. Sorry.
Thank you for having. Thank you. Thank you, and have a nice day.
Thank you!
Today in history, in 1815, a ragtag army under Andrew Jackson defeats the British on the fields of Calmonty in the Battle of New Orleans.
Today, National Bubble Bath Day. So go home and take a relaxing bath and add your favorite bubble.
Yes.
In the headlines, a colorblind 22-year-old sees color for the first time after putting on special glasses. Thanks to the internet and viral videos, we can all witness Mac Herbs see color for the very first time. His friends gifted him special glasses for his 22nd birthday that may have just changed his life. His reaction went viral on Monday. He was able to see color for the very first time. It meant so much to him since he had barely mentioned the glasses and his friends went out of their way to get them. Happy birthday, Mac.
Happy birthday.
Woohoo.
Today's fun fact is the Eiffel Tower can grow more than 6 inches during the summer.
What?
Getting taller.
Okay.
Now for the joke of the day. Why can't two male elephants go swimming?
I don't know, Joseph.
There's only one pair of trunks.
That's all for today. Let's say our motto together.
Doing your best is key to success. I choose excellence.
I'm Matthew.
I'm Joseph.
Where's Larry? Where's Fiona?
That's-
Until next time.
Fly high, Falcons. Bum, ba-dum, bum, 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 bum. See you next time.